Anybody heard about virtual environment?
Yes.
I'll,
Yes.
yeah, please. Why it's needed?
Yeah, it's like a namespace. Like you have a separate environment where all your code and Python runtime environment, everything is there, and all your libraries and dependency files are there, so that it's not colliding with the global environment.
Global environment or other projects, right?
Yes. So you can have different projects with a different set of Python environments.
Python environments. Great. Anybody else? I think you are very correct. As you are learning, and it's not about a development about a single project, right? Suppose you
Same
have,
as
yeah, please.
to be same as like Git and GitHub.
Git and GitHub. Git and GitHub. Yeah, you can say that. Git is your versioning, taking versions of what was. So that is little different. Git, we are keep versions. Previous one is there. If you can roll back there, right? But you can. There is some similarity, right? Some similarity, but not exactness. Here, virtual environment means suppose you were working on a project 1 year back using Python, right? And that time you are using Python 3.6, correct? And in that project, you required to have 5 to 6 packages you downloaded from internet and use those packages in that project. You didn't created uh, virtual environment. Now, after 1 year, you have to work on another project. So, this new project needs uh, 10 more packages, right? And what you did, and these new projects also did new version of Python. You upgraded your Python, downloaded that those 10 new packages, and now your new project is running smoothly. Do you think the previous project will keep working?
No.
No,
No.
because you have adjusted your environment according to the new project. So, to avoid this conflict or keep working different projects, you should always prefer this approach of creating virtual environment. You are creating project, create a virtual environment, install that framework, activate that virtual environment, install that framework, install the whatever the required packages. It will keep working. If it's working today, it will also work 1 year later or 2 year later, right? If it's working, so different environments will be there. Let us see how this is working. So, how you can create the virtual environment? If you are using, so these are the two same things. Like you have to create a first. I'm going to create a directory for you, like it's a project directory. You can say that, and I'll write Python hyphen m venv, that environment name. This is the keyword. If your laptop has not this one, then you will have to install the pip install virtual environment. And virtual environment package is already there. You can run and create your virtual environment, and environment name will be my venv. And to activate that, we'll write this source my venv being activate. This is in the Mac system. But if you are writing in creating virtual environment in your Windows system, both will be same, because you are creating a new direct definitely for a project. And this you will run little different here. Python hyphen m here is py hyphen 3, rest are same. Here I'm activating its source, then being activate path is here. Here environment name, then scripts, then activate. So Windows system, it will use this approach to activate the environment. Let us see how it's working in the Mac system. I'm just going to uh, create a virtual environment. Suppose that I'm creating a folder mkdir Django projects, right? Then cd Django project, right? Now I'm going to create a virtual environment under this folder. So what should be the command? Can anybody tell me?
Python hyphen
Python -m
-m
env
env
my en.
You can write like any Django env, right? I've given name Django env, right? So it takes some time to create the environment. Some files folder structure created while it's running. It's created, right? So you see under this one Django, this is the created, right? Django venv, and this is the bin folder, this is the include. It's using this version of Python, and this is the libraries it's using right now, right? Now we have created the environment, but we need to activate this environment as well. How you can activate? In Mac, you'll write just dot Django, then bin, then activate. Basically, this is the Django folder, Django venv, this is the bin, and this is the activate, the shell script executed, right? In Windows, it's created a batch file. So I'll activate this one. What you see, new thing added in front of my that Jai@192. Can you see?
Yes, bracket. Yeah.
This is making sure that my environment is activated. Either it should not come here. Clear? You are in an environment for this project. Now, suppose that I am in environment. How will get out from the environment? I will write here deactivate. Right? Now I am in my local environment, not in that environment. So once you stop to working in an environment for a particular project, always get out from there by deactivating. So till now, I think we are clear about the virtual environment.
Yes.
Anybody, any confusion, please tell me, because now we are going to use this one for all these frameworks, Django, Flask, and Fast API.
It's clear.
Great.